After months of leaks, the Galaxy Unpacked 2023 event where Samsung will announce the premium Galaxy S23 series is almost here, but leakers are not quite done yet and continue to post rumors, specs, and images. The latest one came from known leaker S23 and a Twitter user Dylan who has both posted hands-on images of the unreleased phone. Now, it's not unusual for photos of the Samsung phone to show up online before they are officially announced, and it's equally excited each year. The images posted by S23 shows the S23, S23 Plus and S23 Ultra, giving us a good look at their design. We get to see the S23 Ultra in color green and the other two in cream and lavender. As earlier rumors has indicated that the standard Galaxy S23 model has now embraced the rare design of the Ultra. They are still early to tell apart though, as S23, S23 Plus have curved corners, whereas the S23 Ultra has a boxier look. According to Dylan, apparently saw the phone at Chile Mobile Network outlet, which has apparently already put the phone on display ahead of their official release. He also uploaded a video which is going to giving us a good idea about the device. But the photos of the black S23 Ultra are still here on his profile, and it looks like he got some hands-on time with the phone but hasn't posted anything about his experience. Now, a couple of hands-on images and videos were posted quite recently, seemingly confirming that the S23 Ultra will have a 200 megapixel camera, which could make it the best camera phone of 2023. Now, Samsung will reveal the S23 series, and the phone will likely powered by custom variant of the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip and could feature a new selfie camera. The standard model also expected to have a bigger battery than their predecessor, but the entry-level model may miss out on few modern specs. So guys, a new teaser of the S23 series has been arrived, which all have 3 camera lenses and each one confirms a different thing in it. Like the first one has the epic connectivity features, second one showcase the S Pen capability, third one is focused on gaming, fourth one has a nice cooling functionality, and the final one confirms the selfie camera. So all of these teaser indicates some of the main highlights of the upcoming S23 series, and mainly they are focusing on cameras, performance and their processing speed. And all of them confirmed that Feb 1 is going to be the official announcement, and there are just 2 days away. And guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, which functionality of the S23 series you are going to be liking most. And guys, we already know through leaks and rumors that a custom Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor is coming for this year S23 series, which has an incredible performance both in the CPU and in the GPU department, plus it is going to be much more power efficient. Now today we have got a new benchmark score which has confirmed that it's going to be coming with a single core score of 1564 and a multi-core score of 4979. Basically it's going to be much more better than the S22 Ultra and even the Pixel 7 Pro, which is amazing. Although the Geekbench score does not matter anymore, but still they provide some basic information about the processing speed. Now finally, regarding the price, we know through leaks and rumors and it has been confirmed that the upcoming S23 series will be coming with a price hike if you are not living in the US. In US, you will have a pricing like $799 for the S23, $999 for the S23 Plus, and the $1199 for the S23 Ultra, while Europe will have a 50 to 100 euros of price hike, while India has a 5000 INR increase in the price from the last year. But don't be sad, as some amazing pre-order deals are coming, like the Galaxy Buds Pro or the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro are coming as a pre-order gifts. Plus you also could possibly get a free memory upgrades, like you will get a 512GB of variant in a price of 256GB. So definitely I think that this is going to be a good pre-order deal. If you are living in the US, there is another advantage for you because a $50 credit will be given to you if you pre-reserve the device right now. And guys, I'm super excited about the S23 series. If you guys are interested in to see the official camera sample for the S23 Ultra, here is the video, check out them as well. Thanks for watching, be sure to subscribe, peace.